Hi, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast. I'm John.
And I'm Lisa. Today, we're going to talk about the present simple tense. This is a very important tense in English. Are you ready, John?
Absolutely, Lisa. Let's start with the basics. Lisa, what is the present simple tense?
The present simple is used to talk about habits, routines, facts, and general truths. For example, I eat breakfast every morning, or the sun rises in the east.
So it's about things that happen regularly or facts that are always true?
Exactly. Now, how do we form the present simple?
I believe for most subjects, we just use the base form of the verb. But what about the third-person singular, like he, she, or it?
Great question. For he, she, and it, we add an s or es to the verb. For example, she works in a hospital, or he watches TV.
That makes sense. Are there any special rules for adding the s or es?
Yes, if the verb ends with s, sh, ch, x, or z, we add es. For example, he passes, she catches, or it fixes.
What about verbs ending with a consonant plus y?
Good question. We change the y to ies. For example, he flies, she carries, but if the verb ends with a vowel plus y, like play, we just add s, he plays.
Awesome. Now, can you give us some examples of sentences in the present simple?
Sure. I go to school, they work in a team, the dog barks at night, and she likes pizza.
Great. Now, are there any common mistakes learners make with the present simple?
Yes, sometimes learners forget to add the s or es in the third person singular. For example, they say, she go to school instead of she goes to school.
I see. What are some key words or signals that tell us when to use the present simple?
Words like every day, often, always, never, sometimes, usually, and generally usually signal present simple.
That's very helpful. So, to summarize, use the base verb for I, you, we, they, add s or es for he, she, it, and use words like always, never, often to talk about routines and facts.
Exactly. Great summary, John.
Thanks, Lisa. That's all for today's lesson on the present simple tense. Thanks for listening.
Don't forget to practice every day. See you next time.